Pi Network celebrates 6th anniversary with major upgrades amid Picoin price decline.
Make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe for latest news about crypto update in Pi Network. As the cryptocurrency landscape continues to evolve, few projects have managed to capture mainstream attention quite like Pi Network. Known for its mission to make crypto accessible to everyone through its mobile mining model, Pi Network has amassed a massive global community since its inception. In 2025, the platform reached a significant milestone, its 6th anniversary, celebrated fittingly on March 14, also known as Pi Day. While the occasion brought exciting ecosystem upgrades and new features to the network, it also highlighted the ongoing challenges facing its native cryptocurrency, Picoin, which continues to grapple with price declines amidst broader market volatility.
Pi Network marked the milestone with an array of platform enhancements designed to advance the network's usability and strengthen its infrastructure. Central to the anniversary announcements was the introduction of the .pi domains auction mechanism, a bold step toward personalizing the Pi ecosystem for businesses, brands, and individuals alike. This new feature allows users to secure custom domain names ending in .pi, providing them with unique digital identities within the network. Whether for personal branding, business ventures, or app development, these domains offer a new layer of utility and customization, enhancing the overall Pi ecosystem's functionality. The rollout of .pi domains ties directly into Pi Network's broader strategy of expanding its platform's infrastructure. This move builds on the recent transition to an open network model, where Pi Network shifted from a previously closed, invite-only system to one that supports external integrations and connections. By enabling outside developers, entrepreneurs, and businesses to participate more freely, Pi Network is laying the groundwork for a more interconnected digital economy centered around Picoin. In addition to the domain auctions, the Pi core team also unveiled a refreshed Mainnet ecosystem interface. This updated interface improves the user experience by offering easier navigation and smoother access to a growing number of Mainnet applications within the Pi platform. The number of these apps has significantly increased over the past year, reinforcing the network's goal of expanding real-world use cases for Picoin beyond just a tradable asset. The anniversary celebration also featured the kickoff of the highly anticipated PiFest shopping period, encouraging users to actively spend their accumulated Pi coins within the ecosystem. This event is an important component of Pi Network's long-term strategy to foster internal commerce and incentivize both users and merchants to engage in real-world transactions using Picoin. The PiFest serves not only as a festive opportunity for users but also as a practical step toward establishing Picoin as a functional currency within the Pi community and beyond. Looking back, Pi Network's rise since its 2019 launch has been nothing short of remarkable. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, which require energy-intensive proof-of-work mining, Pi Network adopted a unique approach by allowing users to mine Picoins simply by logging into its mobile app daily. This low-barrier, energy-efficient model resonated with millions of users worldwide, making crypto mining accessible to anyone with a smartphone. It's this accessibility, combined with a strong emphasis on community building and inclusivity, that has fueled Pi Network's exponential growth over the past 6 years. However, despite the significant milestones and technical progress, Picoin has continued to struggle in terms of price stability. Like many other cryptocurrencies, Picoin has faced persistent downward pressure, a trend that has persisted despite the recent upgrades. Several factors are likely at play here, including the fact that Picoin is not yet fully listed on major centralized exchanges, limiting its liquidity and visibility in the broader market. Many users within the Pi community are eagerly awaiting the day Picoin becomes tradable on larger platforms, which could potentially drive higher demand and price appreciation. Additionally, external market forces, regulatory uncertainty, and general volatility in the cryptocurrency sector have all played a role in Picoin's price challenges. Nevertheless, it's worth noting that the Pi core team has long emphasized long-term ecosystem development and real-world utility over short-term price movements. Their focus remains on building a solid foundation, developing meaningful applications, encouraging real-world adoption, and ensuring regulatory compliance before aggressively pursuing exchange listings. As Pi Network enters its 7th year, the recent 6th anniversary announcements provide a glimpse into the platform's future direction.
The launch of .pi domains, the improvements to the Mainnet ecosystem, and the PiFest shopping initiative all point to a concerted effort to create a more vibrant, functional, and self-sustaining digital economy powered by PiCoin. Whether these efforts will translate into broader adoption and long-term price growth remains to be seen, but the groundwork laid so far is promising.
In conclusion, Pi Network's 6th anniversary serves as both a celebration of its achievements and a reaffirmation of its long-term vision.
While challenges remain, particularly in stabilizing the value of PiCoin, the network's ongoing commitment to innovation, accessibility, and community engagement continues to set it apart in the crowded cryptocurrency space.
As the platform builds on its momentum, the next few years will be crucial in determining whether Pi Network can transform its ambitious vision into lasting impact within the global digital economy.
We've come to the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for latest update.